So Evita and I from But It's Vegan are doing a collaboration on 4 vegan lunch ideas. She's got numbers 1 and 2, and here you can find 3 and 4. My recipes are gluten-free, so I'm trying to show some love to my gluten-free family out here. Let's get into it. So I'm getting started here with making my gluten-free sandwich rolls. I use buckwheat flour, a bit of everything, seasoning, some leavening, a bit of olive oil, water, salt, pepper, and that's it. A very basic mixture into some handmade aluminum ring molds. Allow this to double in size. While this is proofing, we make our chickpea tuna. Very self-explanatory: chickpeas, onions, celery, vegan mayo, some white pepper. I also seasoned this with a bit of sea salt and a splash of lemon juice. Mix this nice and thoroughly and set it aside in the refrigerator. It is time to bake the bread. Once this is baked fully, unmold it and slice it in half. This was the bigger one, so it was just a pinch undercooked right in the center, but that's okay because we're gonna toast it anyways because it is a tuna melt or a vegan tuna melt. So once this is toasted, I pull it out, in goes the cheese, and then the nicely toasted bread goes right on top of the melted cheese, as you can see here. And then I'm just going to flip this right out of the pan. And this is the bottom half of our bread, which was formerly the top, but we will be using it as the bottom. And right on top goes our vegan tuna. So you just top your tuna with some fresh lettuce, freshly sliced tomatoes, and finally the top of the bread, which has also been toasted and melted with cheese. Slice it in half, and there is your vegan chickpea tuna melt. Next is my Mediterranean vegetable sandwich. I have here some freshly sliced tomatoes, some thin sliced cucumbers, some julienne red onions, and here I have some avocado. You can use some mayo or your preferred salad dressing, but I did use avocado as a substitute to keep the sandwich nice and moist. So I just smashed the avocado very lightly into the bun, and I spread it out, making sure I get a good amount of avocado in each bite. This gets seasoned with a little bit of salt, pepper, some freshly chopped oregano. And I top this with some black olives. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side of the bread. Next, I place some fresh romaine lettuce on top of the avocado. Here I have some freshly sliced tomatoes, and I make sure to season my tomatoes with some salt and black pepper. And those thinly sliced cucumbers go on last, along with the julienne red onions. Fold this close, slice it in half, and this is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not seen 1 and 2, make sure you click the link in the description box below. I will have Evita from But It's Vegan channel linked down below. Go show her some love in her comment section, and I will see you next time.
Today we're going to be bringing you guys 4 different lunch ideas. I'm going to be doing 1 and 2. Then I want you guys to head on over to her channel for 3 and 4. And while you're over there, let her know in the comments down below that you came from my channel. And also give her video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and jump right on into my first lunch idea.